Hey everybody, it's Mr. Winter here. Today we're going to talk a little bit about Henry Hudson and his exploration for the Northwest Passage. By the 1600s, Europeans had found southern routes to the Indies. However, they had not discovered a northern route. In 1602, the Dutch started a trading business called the Dutch East India Company. One of their goals was to search for a Northwest Passage to the Indies. The company found an experienced sailor named Henry Hudson to lead the search. In 1609, Hudson set off from the Netherlands with a crew of 20. They sailed in a ship called the Half Moon. As they traveled north, the weather grew colder and colder. Hudson abandoned his search for the Northwest Passage, turned the ship around, and sailed southwest toward America. The Half Moon sailed past Newfoundland and down the eastern coast of America. Where New York is today, Hudson found a harbor and a river that flowed into it. Thinking the river might be the Northwest Passage to the Pacific Ocean, Hudson sailed up it. When the river became too shallow, he realized it was not the passage. He turned the Half Moon around. While he sailed along this river, Hudson traded metal for furs from local Indian tribes. The Dutch soon set up trading posts along this river, which was later named the Hudson River. In 1610, England hired Hudson to find the Northwest Passage. Hudson sailed off to northern Canada in a ship called the Discovery. He was sure he had found the Northwest Passage when he discovered a 450-mile-long passageway. The passageway, later called the Hudson Strait, led to a large bay, now called Hudson Bay. Hudson kept searching the shores of the bay for a water route to the Pacific Ocean. When winter set in, the bay froze over. The Discovery froze in the ice. Hudson and his crew spent a hard winter in a log hut. In June of 1611, when the weather warmed, Hudson set sail. The crew thought Hudson was sailing back home to England, but they soon realized he was sailing west to continue his search for the Northwest Passage. Wanting desperately to go home, the angry crew put Hudson, his son, and 7 other loyal crewmen into a small boat with no oars, and left them in the bay. Hudson and the others in the boat were never heard from again.